Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build an affiliate marketing site with Amazon. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To build an affiliate marketing site with Amazon, begin by selecting a niche that interests you. Research this niche to identify popular products and trends. Next, choose a domain name that reflects your niche and is easy to remember. Register your chosen domain with a reliable domain registrar. After securing the domain, sign up for a web hosting service. Select a hosting plan that fits your budget and needs. Once you have hosting, install a content management system like WordPress. Choose a visually appealing theme that aligns with your niche. Customize the theme to suit your preferences, adding your logo and preferred colors. Next, create essential pages such as Home, About, and Contact. Focus on setting up an affiliate account with Amazon. Complete the registration process on the Amazon Associates page. Once approved, browse through the Amazon product database for items relevant to your niche. Generate affiliate links for those products using the tools provided by Amazon. Start creating high-quality, informative content on your site. Write reviews, guides, and blog posts featuring the products you promote. Incorporate your affiliate links within this content naturally. Be sure to follow Amazon's guidelines for using affiliate links. Optimize your content for search engines by using relevant keywords. Implement on-page SEO techniques to improve your site's visibility. Utilize social media platforms to promote your content to a broader audience. Consider creating an email list to engage with your visitors regularly. Monitor your site's performance through analytics tools to track visitor behavior. Assess which products and content generate the most income. Continuously refine your strategy based on this data for better results. Stay updated with Amazon policies to ensure compliance and success. As you grow, invest more time in learning and improving your marketing skills. Building a successful affiliate marketing site takes time and effort, so be patient. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.